Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to isolate object. So for example, I will create a rectangle and then create again circle. Now use pull tools to convert into 3D. And then you can set into group these objects. Now if you want to isolate this object, we can use text tools. You can click in here, text, and then click plus icons to add the new text. I will set in there into box, and the second text I will set into cylinder. Now you can select the cylinder object, go to entity info, and then you can set text into cylinder. The next for box objects, you can set into box. To isolate, you can click this icon so it will be unshowing in your drawing area. To show again, you can click this icon. So very easy to isolate objects in SketchUp with these text tools. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorial, how to isolate objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.